Hello, Dr. Rothwell. I just wanted to make a video real quick about how to blur faces in case you have a student in your EdTPA video that did not turn in his or her permission slip. So you should be able to blur their faces out using the YouTube Studio. So just select your video in your library here, and you'll go to details. They have very basic editing tools, so you'll go over here to editor, and you're going to see your options here. You could also trim it in YouTube if you'd like, but the blur option is here. So if you click blur, it's going to give you the option for face blur or custom blur. So if you select face blur, it's going to detect the faces in your video and automatically blur or give you the faces, the optional faces for you to blur. If you select custom, it'll give you a little bit more flexibility when it comes to how you want to blur, rectangle, oval. Now the problem with this is it could be a little more time consuming, but you can still have a track object feature or a fixed blur position. This means while the video is going, and for some reason if it doesn't track the object, you can just stop it and then just adjust the blur however you like. I hope this helps, and you know where to find me if you ever have any questions.